Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Subscribe now and don't miss anything. The Foldable Drone. The foldable drone may sound like a joke, but trust me, it works. It was inspired by birds who have the amazing ability to adapt to different environments and can tailor their anatomy to suit different functions. In a similar manner, the foldable drone is a morphing quadrotor that can change its shape and size in order to accomplish different tasks. It can be used to squeeze through narrow openings or fly over high obstacles, and it achieves this through the use of a mainframe, 4 independently rotating arms, and an onboard computer running all the calculations. Expect to see this result of a collaboration between the University of Zurich and EPFL Lausanne everywhere in the future. Hydrone Griflion. The Hydrone Griflion is an amazing new device launched by MMC UAC in 2019 during the Intergeo 2019. It received instant attention for its improved flight time and its more efficient metal bipolar plate hydrogen fuel cell, with a maximum hydrogen storage capacity of 27 liters. It has been demonstrated to reach flight times as high as 15 hours without payload, and it can fly for 10 hours even with a 3-kilogram payload, which represents a massive improvement over the competition. Hydrone Griflion finds applications in the field of surveying and mapping, rescue, security and protection, border scouting, and forest scouting, and provides better efficiency and safety at almost the same prices. Samara auto-rotating wings. The seeds of maple trees have inspired many designs and philosophies throughout history. The Samara auto-rotating wings is another product of this amazing plant, and the designers at Air Lab studied the ways in which the Samara uses auto-rotation as a unique mechanism to disperse their mechanical seeds over large distances with no form of propulsion. The result of this research is a device that had extended its stability and direction controllability by generalizing the mechanism to incorporate designs with more than one wing. It can detach into singular units and functions with a decentralized separation mechanism that slows down vertical descent rate with the use of a conical spiral auto-rotation trajectory. Solar-powered quadcopter. The genius who came up with this next idea deserves a prize. You know how drones fly so close to the sun but still have to be recharged with electricity? Well, these brilliant individuals put solar panels on the back of a drone so that it can recharge itself while running. Developed by a student team from the National University of Singapore, or NUS, this ultra-thin drone is created from carbon fiber and weighs just 2.6 kilograms. And this can be attributed to the lack of any conventional drone pieces like an onboard battery or other energy storage system. Instead, it works with the use of about 148 silicon solar cells and has been flown remotely up to about 43 square feet at an altitude of more than 10 meters. Morphing Quadcopter. Forget shape-shifting robots. The Morphing Quadcopter is a shape-shifting drone. Designed by the bright minds over at UC Berkeley to fold and unfold as desired. This drone can change its form without the use of any additional actuators. Instead, it makes use of low or high thrust forces from the propellers to switch into folded or unfolded mode. It has been demonstrated to be able to shrink to less than 50% of its original size and has been calibrated to safely fold and unfold whenever the user requires it, and without any accidents. GridDrones. GridDrones is a one-of-a-kind invention created by Canadian designers at the Human Media Lab at Queen's University. This innovative graphics system grants users the ability to physically manipulate pixels in 3D space with the use of a smartphone application. This is possible because the 3D pixels can be given a spatial relationship using a smartphone app, and it can be used to let them know when to move when approached by a neighboring drone. It makes use of 15 nano quadcopters that maintain their position using a Vicon motion capture system with pinpoint accuracy. GridDrones represent a unique experience for robotics enthusiasts for several reasons. The first of which is that it does not require structural support as each element self-levitates to overcome gravity. And it has a bidirectional system so users can simply rearrange the pixels. And you can also change the print and ensure a more immersive experience. Lightbee. Developed by the bright minds at Queen's University Human Media Lab, the Lightbee is a one-of-a-kind holographic display drone, which gives users the opportunity to project images of themselves from remote locations and mimics their head movements while in flight. This device seems like it would be part of a futuristic home in a science fiction movie, and it works with the use of a series of 3D cameras to capture head and body movements and project it to another site with the use of a cylindrical projection surface-equipped Lightbee. This drone moves within a ring of 45 smart projectors, which project a light field onto the screen and generates realistic, crystal-clear imagery. ADIFO. Forget the fact that the ADIFO looks like two pie plates stacked together. This machine can actually fly, the result of years of research and development from Romanian engineer Razvan Sabi and aerodynamicist Iosif Tapasu. The ADIFO is an acronym for All-Direction Flying Object, and it sure lives up to the name. It holds the record of being the first flying VTOL aircraft in the world able to fly in all directions under the same aerodynamics characteristics. And it has the enviable characteristic of being able to fly either as a quadcopter when it's at low speed and as a supercharged, jet-propelled aircraft when you have a need for speed. Thanks for watching. Which drone did you find the most impressive and why? Tell me the reason in the comments section below. Feel free to subscribe and be my friend. I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.